Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the finals error code TFAV8005. The error reads, System Integrity Violation. A disallowed game file modification detected. As per our research, this error comes after launching the game. The game opens normally, but within 30 seconds, it shows the error and kicks the player back to the desktop. According to our research, this error is likely caused by third-party software interference, modified game files, or system settings like virtualization being disabled. We first suggest you power cycle your device along with the router. Simply shut down your device and unplug the router. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart both, and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then verify the integrity of game files. Once done, relaunch the game and see if the error is resolved. If you still have the error, then make sure all your drivers are updated along with the Windows operating system. If there are any updates pending, install them and try again. If you still get the error, then try closing all unnecessary apps. In our research, apps like Razer Synapse have caused similar issues before. So close everything except the game and test again. If this helps, identify which app is causing the conflict. If the issue persists, check your BIOS and make sure CPU virtualization is enabled. This has helped some users fix the error, so give this a try and see if this helps. As a last step, try reinstalling the game along with Easy Anti-Cheat. After reinstalling, open the game and check if the error is gone. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.